Hey guys, I'm back as Jacob Skill Tiger G Weathered, and I have a kit review. I just bought this kit, the Supreme Walrus MKI Volume from Volume, and this looks like a pretty cool kit. This is for the modeling contest. I haven't got your thing yet. I need that and a board, but I got this for now. I'll start the build today or tomorrow. Course. This looks very detailed, pretty nice kit. Let's take a look at the parts and directions. Set this down real quick. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Let me open up this package. Hobby knife. Oh yeah, my toolbox. Not screw it. I'll just tear it open. This, as you can see. Perfect. Awesome. Careful here. There we go. Awesome. Nice looking decals. Really neat. Foot etch parts. Never used these before. Wow. Neat. Some resin parts. As you can see, pieces look very nice. See, they're carefully molded. I mean, pieces are pretty decent. Very nice. Very pleased. As for these parts as well. Can see here, looks like there's not that much to this kit. It should be a very simple kit. I'm really satisfied. This is gonna be a fun one. Not too hard either, you know. Yes, awesome. This way. Now we're gonna take a look at the directions. I mean, look at these decals. They are cool, aren't they? Pretty pleased. It doesn't look that hard either. And then I almost forgot these parts as well. Pretty neat. The glass parts and stuff. Pretty pleased with these as well. Very pleased. Pretty pleased. And then here's the directions. I'm going to show you guys. Hi. Hello. Alright. Let's get the directions. Now, these directions seem pretty accurate. I can't see. That's probably part of the photo etch part. There's the gun. I have gunmetal for this. I also got some white paint I bought because white paint is a very important main color for anything. So yeah, got some brand new bottled Tamiya white paint. Plenty. It's a small bottle, but there's really plenty in it. That's all I need is a small bottle of white paint. But see the directions. They look pretty accurate. And very fun to build this one. Yeah, this is going to be a good build. I can just imagine it in my head. Yeah. I have to put it together very carefully, but I guess it's not that bad. Directions help you a little bit, probably enough. Still have to plan and strategize what goes on first, so you don't get caught up and mess up. probably have to plan it, put it together some, mainly most of the parts very carefully, and plan what's going to go first on it. Because it says, it doesn't really say what to do first, it just says put them all at once, so you're going to have to plan that. But overall, good kit. Directions alright. Pretty good, I guess. And that I'm very happy how they made it. I'm extremely happy. You know, before it's been built. Here's all the color list. I have a green, an olive green, and then I have a sea gray too. So pretty much okay with the paints. Now weathering, I still have rust, of course. Like you see this picture, there's a little bit of rust. Well, tiny streaks. You don't need much at all, but yeah, a little bit. Didn't come with any figures, but it came with the plane itself. And then here's the markings, the decals. So cool. It's painted white or sea gray. And then here's the other side, different. There's the other one, more camouflaged one. Probably Pacific Theater, since they have that there maybe. But yeah, very, very neat. I really gonna enjoy this one, I'm pretty sure. Super pumped about it. All this back, this beauty. Alright guys, that's... shit, sorry. Alright guys, that's about it. That's about it about the kit. Now, yeah, I will crank out more videos and of course a build update of this kit. And, if I come up with any techniques you probably haven't learned yet, I'll help you out with that and maybe make a technique video if I think of something. Alright, that's about it, guys. Happy modeling. Have a great day, a great spring, and I wish you good luck. Happy modeling, happy spring. This is Steel Tiger G Weather Jacob signing off, and bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.